Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2016 Jeep Compass and I will show you how to engage or disengage the child locks. This video should apply to Jeep Compasses made from 2007 all the way up to 2017. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now on this vehicle right now the child locks are not engaged, and that means if you are driving a child on the back seat while you drive, if they pull on the door handle, they can open the door, right, which can be quite dangerous. So the main purpose of the child lock is to prevent that. Okay, so engaging a child lock is quite easy. Just if you open the door, on the edge of the door you will have these couple of symbols and a small white lock. You'll have a lock, unlock and a small person symbol. So all you have to do, you have to insert the vehicle key into this lock and you want to turn it. And now the child lock is engaged, and if I close the door right now, I shouldn't be able to open it from the inside. Okay, you see? The door is not operational, and that's a quite important feature if you have small kids, that's for sure. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.